Hey fellas, so today we'll be making UPH's faculty room. So first of all, you have to create a cube with the length of 100 millimeters, width of 10 millimeters, and the height of 20 millimeters. And then fit all to see all. So create another cube with a length of 5 millimeters, width of 8 millimeters, and a height of 12 millimeters. As for the placement, check the apply incremental changes to object placement, which applies to every cube placement we're gonna make. And for the x-axis, we'll have 15. For the y-axis, we'll have 0.5. And for the z-axis, as 8. Next, we'll have to create a cut. So select your base and the cube to cut. Now there's a hole. And then set this as Warframe again to create another cube with the length of 5, with a width of 5 and the height of 1. So for the placement, same application goes with the x-axis, which is 2, y-axis, which is 3, and z-axis for 19. So you have to set this as 3 and then 19. Same thing, you have to apply and OK. You'll make another cube you have to just copy or make it. So make another cube the same height with 5, with a 5 and then height of 1. Then Y for 3 and Z axis for 19. Then click apply, OK. You have to create another cube with a length of 5, with a length of 4, 4, width of 4, and height of 1. For the x-axis, we have 28, y-axis of 3, and z-axis for 20. We still have to make another cube. So create another cube. With a length of 8, width of 5, and the height of 12. For the x-axis, you have to check the imply incremental changes. 28 for the x, y for 3, and z for 8. And then the last cube you made for you to cut. So here it is. You have to click cut 4, then cube 004. You have to create another cube with a length of 8, width of 8, and 11 for the height, 11.5. For the x-axis we have 20, y-axis for 0.5, and then z-axis for 8. Apply and OK. We have to cut the cube X to cut 001, and then here it is. Make another cube with a length of 5, with a width of 4, and then I'm sorry, it's the same as cube 007. So x-axis for 28, set as warframe, and here's your window. For the last, we'll have a cube. We'll have to create the last cube with a length of 5. Their cube with a length of 5, with a length of 4, with a width of 4, and then a height of 1. It's for the bulletin board right next to the window. And then same goes for cube 008. X of 37, 3 for Y, and Z for 20. Okay. And their set is as is.
Make another cube with a length of 12, width of 5, and height of 19. For each placement, check apply incremental changes to observe placement. For each x will have 65, y will have 3, and z will have 1. Click apply, then OK. Next is we'll cut cube 4 and the last cube you made. After cutting, we'll make another cube with a length of 12, width of 5, height of 19. Same things apply with an x-axis of 65, y of 3, and z 1. Click apply, then OK. Then we'll make another cube with a length of 12, width of 5, height of 19, and have an axis x equals 85, y 3, and z 1. Click apply, then OK. We'll make another cube with a length of 54.5, width of 9, and a height of 18.5. As for its placement, we'll have the axis as x will have 45, y will have 0.5, and z will have 1. Click apply, then OK. Next is we'll cut the last you made and the last cube 12. We'll make another cube with a length of 14, width of 19, and a height of 16. As for the placement, same things apply with an x of 0.5, y of 0.5, and z of 0.5. We'll then make another cube with a length of 5, width of 9, and a height of 5. As for its placement, we'll have 10 for the x-axis, 0.5 for y, and 9.5 for z. Click apply, then OK.
We'll then make another cube with a length of 9, a width of 9, and a height of 7. For its placement, check apply incremental changes to object. Placement for its x-axis will have 17, y 0.5, and a z of 0.5. Check apply, then OK. Then we'll cut them. The recent cut you made in your last cube. Make another cube with a length of 9, a width of 5, and a height of 7. As for its placement, have 17 for the x-axis, 3 for your y, and 1 for your z. Click apply, then OK. Then make another cube with a length of 7, a width of 9, and a height of 11.5. As for its placement, check the apply incremental changes to the object placement. For its x-axis is 36, y for 0.5, and a z of 8. Click apply, then OK. Then we'll cut the last that you made.
Then we'll make another cube with a length of 3, width of 9, height of 5. Then for its placement, I guess we'll have x of 42, y of 0.5, z of 10. Click apply, then OK. Now we'll cut the cut 011 and cube 018. Then, now we'll make another cube with a length of 100, width of 1, height of 20.
So you can edit this one and drag directly above the room, then we'll make the same cube with the same measurements, but with a height of 10. If the cubes don't align, just adjust it. After making sure that the cubes are aligned, we'll change the last cube's height that you made into. 10 is so small. Then for it to look like a roof, we need to tilt 13 it a little. So you need to edit it and tilt it a little downward. Now we'll make another cube with the length of 10, width of 0.5, and height of 12. We need to make it as the floor of our faculty lobby, so you need to edit it and drag it.
So, make another cube with a length of 2.5, width of 2.5, and height of 3. Then make 3 consecutive cubes, still unedited, and change the measurements same as length is equal to 2.5, width is equal to 2.5, and height is equal to 3. For the placement of cube 022, let's have x equal to 20, y equal to 0.5, and z equal to 27.5. Click OK. Then proceed to cube 023. Let's have x equal to 40, y equal to 0.5, and z equal to 27.5. Click OK, then proceed to cube 024. Let's have x equal to 60, y equal to 0.5, and z equal to 27.5. Then click OK. And for cube 025, let's have x equal to 80, y equal to 0.5, and z equal to 27.5. Then click OK after making the cubes.
2, y is equal to 1.5 and z is equal to 29. Click, then OK. For the cylinder 002, change the axis to x, then change the angle into negative 90 degrees. For its placement, we'll have x as 61.2, y as 1.5, z as 29, then click OK. For cylinder 003, change its axis to x, then its angle to negative 90. For its placement, we'll have x is equal to 81.2, y is equal to 1.5, and z is equal to 29. Then click OK. After editing cylinders, you can change the draw style into as is to see your output.